Hi and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So within this walk around video I'm going to show you around this very nicely presented Alpine White 420i M Sport Coupe. I'm also going to show you around some of the exterior features and options in a bit more detail. Alongside that I'm going to go around shortly, take a seat inside the car and again run you through some of the interior features in a bit more detail. So as I've mentioned, the car is presented in the Alpine White, and alongside that of course we fitted a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car, alongside adding the 20-inch 405M style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. Being that this vehicle is a 2017 plate, it also benefits from the lovely facelift. So we've got the LED angel eye and LED projector headlamps, as you can see there, and I'll also point out the remaining facelift items as well. Down the side of the car you'll see the gloss black air breathers, satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars, and of course the YNC Mperformance decals. And again, hopefully down there you should be able to see just how clean and tidy this 4 Series Coupe is. A very nice clean and tidy example. Moving on inside the car, I'm going to show you around first of all on the passenger side, and of course give you a look at the rear seat arrangement. Black Dakota leather with both the heated and electric lumbar options, and a very nice interior trim in the shape of the brushed aluminium and high gloss black. In the rear for the 4 Series Coupe you have an Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with a central folding armrest and storage tray. And again, very nice, clean and tidy, as you can see there. We've also got the darkened M Sport headlining. Once again, working very nicely with both the interior and exterior colours. Moving around shortly towards the rear, again showing you off the brand new alloy wheels. At the back of the car, again BMW made a change with these very sharp looking LED rear lights, alongside ourselves adding the satin rear diffuser and high gloss black rear boot spoiler. As I open up the boot you'll be able to see just how large of the space it really is, alongside the genuine floor mats, and again a very clean and tidy area, alongside the fact we have got the split folding seats to again further enhance that space. Moving on to the other side of the car, again I'll give you a couple of seconds to take in how nice and clean and tidy this is. Again, the Alpine White really does work very nicely with all of the additions we do make here at Your Next Car, and I'm going to shortly go on inside just to take yourselves through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail of this 420i M Sport Coupe. It has got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, so we do get these very nice flappy paddles situated behind the M Sport multifunction steering wheel. So as you can see there, we've also got cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, again all on that steering wheel. Starting the car up, I'll run you through also what's on this professional wide navigation and media screen. Currently there you'll see the switch between the multimedia systems, so we've got DAB, music collection, CD, DVD, alongside USB, Bluetooth audio and AUX inputs. A very nice feature and a very user-friendly system is the BMW professional navigation. Also utilises real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. And again, if I go back to the main menu, you again see, thanks to the facelift, we've also got the newer iDrive software, which again is a little bit nicer on the eye and that little bit easier to navigate. Going to the vehicle status menu, you can see there everything is highlighted in the green, and the next service is not due for 12,000 miles. Down here is where we'll find the dual climate controls, along with the switches for these lovely heated leather seats. In terms of mileage, this vehicle's covered just over 27,000 miles, so again we're bringing you a very nice low mileage example of a stunning 4 Series. So hopefully you've been able to enjoy this walk around video and take something away from it, and hopefully it may help you make an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. However, if you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below. As always, I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. And of course, if you do want further information, there will as always be a link in the description for you to check out our website, along getting direct in touch with us here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video, and hopefully we'll see yourselves very, very soon. Thank you, take care, goodbye.